Welcome back to Huson DIY. My name's Matilda.
My name's Ben.
And today we're making a Christmas wreath for my door. So we went to Poundland and we got some stuff to make my wreath. We got a polystyrene circle. We got a bow. We got some berries to cut off. A hot glue gun, but you'll need an adult. And some bells.
Jingle bells, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yep, so we're going to use all those for the wreath. We're going to stick them on, but what we're going to do, we're going to use our Cricut and we're going to cut out some leaves, some green leaves and some red, like little flowers, I think, as well, aren't we? So we're going to do that. We'll show you how we do it and then stick it all onto the polystyrene with the glue gun.
So guys, we didn't know that we had to wrap it in something because we don't want it white.
We don't want it white, do we?
So we got some tin foil.
Just some kitchen foil. We're going to wrap it so it's nice and sparkly out, Matilda.
Yeah.
So we'll do that first. Okay, so as I mentioned, we're going to cut the leaves out of the using Cricut, using some green card. So I've got a design that I found in projects on the Cricut Design Maker. Deleted some of them we didn't want, and we're going to cut them out on green card. I'll put a link if I can find the link to the one we've used, but there's tons on Design Maker called Design Space, but it's just one off there. We're going to cut them out onto green card. We'll show a little bit of footage of that going on. Okay, so Matilda's wrapped all that foil around there, looking great now. It's all sparkly, so anything that shows through behind the card will just be really shiny silver, won't it, Matilda? Great work there, great work. Okay, so we're going with the green card in there. Matilda's got over there, get it all sorted. We'll start cutting out, so we've got a few cuts to do. A few cuts, different leaves to do on there, using the fine point blade and the scoring tool. So Matilda, press go.
Flashing button.
Press it quickly.
This one.
Yep. Away we go. So we won't show you this. I'll do a couple of clips of it going on, but we'll show you what it's looking like after we've cut it all out. Okay, Tilda's peeling off the leaves out now. Yep. Go on. Careful, just make sure it's not ripping. You see them amazing leaves there though. Wow, they look great. Tilda's scraping some berries off here. They look great, don't they, Tilda? Yeah. So Matilda shows all the leaves that we've got. So we've cut all them out, all the berries. A few different colours of green there, aren't we, Tilda, to mix and match it up a little bit. And it's looking great, really happy with that. So we'll move over to this area, get the glue gun warmed up, and we'll start sticking them on.
So the wreath is finished. We've added the boat and bells, and it looks great. Merry Christmas. Like and subscribe. Bye.